Alright, we're recording the sewer line here at 2212 North 80th Street, Seattle, Washington, 98, whatever, doesn't matter, zip code. The date is June 6, 2018, Wednesday. I just cabled this sewer, it had backed up. We are pulling back now through the toilet flange. I cabled it through the flange. We're approximately 80 feet out. What you're looking at here at 80 feet, it's a massive offset. Even it almost looks broken. So here's the sewer line. Here's what a good sewer line looks like. See how it's round? You got kind of worn out at the bottom here. That's where the water's been going along. It's concrete. Water's been going along here for 70, 80 years, whatever, however old the house is. That's when they built the sewer. Drops down, hits this break. I'm unable to get my camera past this spot here at 80 feet. That is a major offset, and it looks to me like a break. As you can see, there's some toilet paper right there on the bottom left of your screen, and a gap in the pipe. Not where this blockage occurred, but definitely an issue going forwards. If that collapses, you got major issues. So we're going to pull back from there. Concrete, there's a root about 65 feet out, pretty good size one. Another good size one at 62. Big old root there at about 60 feet. That's taking up about 3/4 of the diameter of the pipe. Major root issue. Another big one there, 58. Another big one there. So you can see there are multiple spots with major root intrusion. This is what's helping cause these backups. Boom. 45 feet. Monster root. That's the one that had caused this backup today. Here you got another issue where you're dropping into a T almost. Your sewage is coming down along here, and it's supposed to take a left, but as you can see when I push the camera, it kind of just stops. Now imagine that being toilet paper, kind of flowing down with your 1.6 gallon flush, hits this spot and stops. Another spot for concern, and roots right before that. And as you can see here, all through this first 30 feet of it, you can't see anything. This is sitting water. This water sits in here at all times. That's because the pipe is flat. There's no grade to the pipe. So anytime you're flushing anything, running water, toilet paper just kind of sits in there. So it's a big flat spot in the pipe. It's taking over half the pipe where it's just flat. I mean, that means that when you flush a load of toilet paper and waste, it's just basically sitting in here. And the only thing pushing it forwards is the next batch of toilet paper and waste. And when you run the shower, you'll get a little flow. If you can imagine like a river running into a lake, that water just kind of stops right there. And that's the effect you got going with a flat pipe. So it's flat from just about when you leave the house. That's the transition to where you leave the house. ABS plastic to cast iron. Well, that's actually not the spot where you leave the house. But the cast iron, you can't see where you leave the house because you're underwater is the problem. So this is still inside the house. And this is only, I'm coming up out of the toilet flange there, so we're only about 6 feet into the line. We're hitting this flat spot, and toilet paper is barely moving. Multiple issues within the sewer line. There's the toilet flange I went through. See the bathroom down here. Technician today was Casey. And signing out.